Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or simply looking to diversify your income, there are several lucrative avenues to explore. Nigerians can now easily earn dollars while enjoying the comfort of their homes. Hi there, welcome back to Afitech Digital Channel. Because in today's video, I'm going to show you 10 innovative and practical ways in order to earn dollars while living in Nigeria. Without explanation, let's head over to the 10 innovative ways in which you can earn good dollars from the comfort of your homes as in Nigeria. Number one is freelancing. I know that a lot of us are familiar with this word freelancing. What is it all about? For some of us that have not heard about it before, or we might have heard about it but we don't really know what it means, don't worry, I got you covered. Freelancing is a popular method to earn dollars by providing services online. So you can use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer Connect around the world who are looking for a specific skill such as writing, graphic design, programming, and digital marketing. Okay, for you to get started, let's head over to my Chrome browser. Let me show you how to go about that. So you just need to type Upwork. Okay, Upwork, and search. So for you to get started in this platform, you need to create a professional profiles that highlight your skills, your experience, and your past work. You need to develop a portfolio showcasing your best project to attract customer clients. Begin with a smaller project to build your reputation and accumulate positive reviews. Networking with other freelancers and clients can also help you find new opportunities and expand your clients. So when you come here, you'll be asked to create your account. It requires your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, your country. Search for work. Okay, you can see this direct response copywriter, that is SEO copywriter, and this to check in from time to time to see when the job was posted, if it's still new. Okay, so this is Fiverr. So if you have not joined, you click on sign in. No signing. You can see programming and tech, graphic design, digital marketing, writing, music, and audio. These are remote job. We all know what a remote job is all about. A remote work involves performing job duties from a location of your choice, typically for a company abroad. Many international firms offer remote roles in areas like customer service, virtual assistant, and project management. So to enter this field, you need to browse job boards dedicated to remote work. You need to go to this particular website such as remote.co. Okay, you click on that remote.co. You need to go to flex jobs. Okay, so when you click on this remote.co, you can search for a particular work that find remote jobs. You click on that. So when you click on that, you now be look at the keyword of the company. Let's say you are a virtual assistant and you are looking for a company abroad that can hire you. You can just go ahead and click on virtual assistant and you wait for it to load, and when it has loaded, you now see list of job that they have posted based on your particular field. As you can see right here on my screen, we have clinical administrative coordinator, and they posted this job 8 hours ago. You have executive assistant, and they posted it 3 days ago. Some of this work people might have taken in. That's why you always need to be on this site standby. Okay, selling of digital product, that's number 3 ways of making money online in Nigeria. So you get to sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or software. With this, all these things can generate a passive income in dollars. Okay, you don't need to begin by identifying a niche or area of expertise that aligns with your interests and skills. Then you choose a platform for selling your products. So we have platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing for ebooks, or we have Udemy for online courses to be the author. Like, I'm into Amazon KDP. So there's a website that you can go and download a full book in a PDF format, and you just try to, then you go to another site to paraphrase it. Let it not be the same, let it not be the exact thing, okay, that was there. So you just need to go there, paraphrase it to be different from the main book, design your own cover, and just go ahead and upload it, and people buys it, and you get your money without stress, without, something like that. So the next one I want to talk about is affiliate marketing. I know that some people will be like, you've come again, affiliate marketing. I know that when the people heard about affiliate marketing, they always tailor it to whatever thing they have done in the past, or the kind of affiliate marketing of which I don't know that you might have done in the past. Affiliate marketing is not actually like that. This affiliate marketing allows you to earn commission just by promoting products or services through your referral links. This is not a Ponzi scheme. Okay, so there are various ways on which you can join affiliate marketing. You can join affiliate marketing through Amazon Associate. So what you need to do this time around, you are not publishing book on Amazon Associate, so you partner with them and be promoting their products, and you earn a commission. That is what Amazon Associate is all about. Okay, so you can see recommend product and earn a commission. You can see this right here. So you just go ahead, click on sign up, and when you click on sign up, you'll be asked to I have an account already, like I told you guys. So you can see my name, right? You can see in international market. That's another way of making money. So investing in international markets such as US stocks, cryptocurrencies, or global funds provides you with an opportunity to earn returns in dollars. Begin by researching various investment options and platforms which offer access to global markets. Educate yourself about the risks and benefits associated with different investments, and start with smaller amounts to gain experience. So you just also need to investigate in your own way to know the one that is real, to know the one that is legit, okay, so that you not end up investing your time, your money, and at the end of the day you don't have anything in return. Okay, so you just need to be very, very careful in this particular aspect. So the next thing I want to talk to you about is e-commerce. So e-commerce platform, like we have Shopify. You need to use that one to set your online stores. Okay, so you can decide whether you want to drop ship your product or source from your suppliers. Okay, go ahead and click on this one, start and grow your e-commerce store. Okay, it will bring you to this particular interface. So you just need to go ahead and sign up, and I'm not into this, so I'm just opening this for the purpose of this particular tutorial. So it says sell to every buyer everywhere. Okay, you can connect to buyers everywhere in the world, and you sell your products and you make money. So another one I want to talk about is blogging and content creation. It's no longer news that people are making cool cash online by just doing blogging and creating content. So blogging and content creation offers a platform for you to share your expertise and earn dollars through advertising, sponsored posts, or brand partnership. You can become a brand ambassador. Okay, so what you just need to do is just to choose a niche or topic that you are passionate about, and start creating a high quality content such as blog posts or videos. You also need to monetize your content by integrating ad partnership with brand for sponsored posts, surveys, and market research. Okay, we have various platforms which we can take survey. Okay, participating in online surveys and market research studies can provide a supplementary income stream. Register on reputable survey platforms like Swagbucks to access survey opportunities. Be honest and consistent in your response to qualify for more surveys and increase your earnings. You also need to be cautious of scam sites. Okay, not all these survey platforms are real. Okay, So you also that requires you to pay money or promise you unrealistic reward. You don't need to do that. You need to stick to well-known and reliable platforms to ensure your time is well spent, because you don't want to be doing what will not be beneficial to you and will not be beneficial to your time. So what am I trying to say in essence? What I'm trying to say that you need to be cautious of scam site, okay, that requires you to pay money, or they promise you some unrealistic outcome. Maybe yeah, you need to invest $1, and if you take one survey they are going to double your income. Don't do that kind of survey. I'm not advising you to do that. Any survey that asks you to pay money, you are looking for a way to make money, right? So I don't see why they'll be asking you to pay money. Meanwhile, it's through online tutoring. Okay, online tutoring allows you to leverage your knowledge in specific subjects to earn dollars by teaching students globally. You just need to create a professional profile that highlights your qualifications and teaching experience. You also need to develop a structured approach to your lessons. So there are various sites on which you can apply as an online tutor, and you get to teach people from the comfort of your home with no stress. As YouTube monetization. YouTube monetization offers an opportunity to earn in dollars by creating and sharing content on their platforms. You don't need to start by creating a YouTube channel. If you don't know how to create a YouTube channel, I made a video on that. And you need to produce high quality videos that cater to a specific audience or niche. You just need to choose your niche. You know something that all that paying in dollars. Or today you are doing ed tutorials, tomorrow you are doing vlog, next tomorrow you are doing educational tutorials. You just need to teach a particular niche that you know that you are good at, that you are perfect with. Don't do it because my sister is doing this or my friend. You and your friend don't have the same thing. It's better you go for what you know to do best. Okay, so and you apply for YouTube partnership program once you meet the eligibility requirements, including having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. That's a year. So monetize your YouTube through ads, channel membership, super chat and merchandise. Here come the end of this particular video. Okay, so like this video, share, and also do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be among the first person to get notified. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section.